Hello and welcome to the Utility, Reinstatement and Surface Repair section of the Meon website. This is where you will find a wealth of information and knowledge that is relevant and dedicated to help you perform your specific project requirements relating to highway works. The need to accommodate for more or replace existing utility services is constant, and across the whole of the UK and Ireland, utility providers are coming under increasing pressure for efficiency savings, improved safety, and at the same time responsible for reducing carbon emissions. Scroll down on this page for the resources that are most applicable to you. It's broken down into 3 easy to navigate support stages as follows. Firstly, project solutions. Here you'll find products from the Magma range of surfacing and reinstatement that have been tried and tested, providing peace of mind from any potentially costly defects. Secondly, and very importantly, best practices for your given situation. This support stage also gives the installer all the vital product application guidelines through interactive training videos. Lastly, compliance and certification. What is and isn't permitted by the last amendment of the SROH, and what systems require HAPA certification, declarations of performance, technical data, case studies and more. Meon are passionate and dedicated in supporting the utilities sector and are responsible to pass on expertise and experience gathered up over the past 25 years. Thank you for watching, and please do not hesitate to reach out for more detail on any of the aspects we have covered above.